Sorry, Papi.
Sometimes they get away, but that won't stop us from trying. Let's go.
Yeah, heroes never give up. Oh, never give up. That can go in our hero song.
Kids, there's Wanda. Okay, here I go.
Good luck, Papi. All we gotta do is watch my Papi being a hero, and we'll get some great ideas for our song.
Bing Wanda, I have some yummy treats for you.
Huh? Hey, that's not for you. Shoo, go away. That's for the parrot. Our song will never happen if one keeps flapping away.
Making a hero song is harder than we thought.
Ay. Catching a parrot is harder than I thought.
Shooing a butterfly is harder than I thought.
Ruben to the rescue.
Well, the parrot got away again. But at least my Papi gave that thirsty butterfly a tasty sip.
Yup, a hero is always ready to help.
Ooh, always ready to help. Great, that can go on our hero song too.
Let's go, niños. We need to find Wanda.
Pro-life advocates have been open about their hopes of overturning Roe.
Staying dry can be one less thing to lose sleep over.
Simply call 8.
Wake up to what's possible with Rebelsis. Yeah, we got it.
That was northbound on Route 11, past Azona.
Okay.
Man, but I'm not stupid. You meant what you said. And I'm not getting on that plane.
Saturday, December 4th at Enterprise Center. With special guest, Jackson Brown.
People, then he'll get it to you.
Plus, Kurt Warner breaks down the matchup between 2020 draft class quarterbacks Justin Herbert.
I believe is more like his sister.
And what he's been able to do this season with much of the same roster that we've seen out there in Arkansas over the past couple of years, it's incredible to me.
Security check up to $1,700 a year.
What do you think?
Today I'm trying out the Everlywell Food Sensitivity Test. I decided